Hey Elite Pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are going to do a wash day for my client who has a texturizer, and we are also going to be doing a protein treatment because she had some shedding going on. So I started by just kind of using my comb just to kind of comb through her hair and see what degree of shedding was really happening. Because I do know that clients will come in and say, oh, my hair is shedding like crazy. And shedding like crazy to them might be like a strand, whereas shedding like crazy to me is a couple strands every time I comb the hair. And it's like very long strands. So that's what kind of gave me the thought process that we definitely needed to do a protein treatment today. So that is exactly what we're going to do. So first things first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to be prepared to comment down in the comment box and tell me what you think. So I'm creating a cocktail using our Scalp Care line, which is our Soothe and Balance. And that little black thing that you just saw me using to distribute some of the products on our hairline was the Scalp, I call it the Scalp Agitator, but it's really just like a shampoo comb that goes or comes along with the Scalp Care, which is a Soothe and Balance pre-treatment. And then I also cocktailed the pre-treatment with our clarifying shampoo to, number one, help her remove any dry scalp or any buildup or congestion that's going on her scalp. And then I use the what I call scalp agitator, which is the shampoo comb, just to kind of really stimulate some blood flow and to also give her a nice gentle scratch all at the same time. Now, the good thing with our scalp agitator is that it does not tangle the hair. It actually helps to detangle the hair during the shampoo process. And then I went ahead and rinsed her out with some nice warm water. Now, the Soothe and Balance is available on our website as of now in both the 16 and the 8-ounce bottle. And it works great for those of you that have that dry, itchy scalp, or for those of you that have what we call congested scalp, things like dandruff, dry scalp, dermatitis, whatever you have going on that scalp. This is definitely going to help to make that reduce the appearance, number one, of that dandruff and dry scalp, and number two, help to also add some stimulation and soothe to the itchiness. Now, for the shampoo process, we are using our Moist Repair sulfate-free shampoo. Whenever you're going to do a protein treatment, you guys, it's always best, or I recommend, starting the process, of course, with cleaning the hair and the scalp, and then using a moisturizing shampoo rather than a strengthening shampoo. Now, I know that's a little redundant because you're trying to strengthen the hair for this wash day. But the problem is if you put too many things that strengthen the hair all at once or on the hair all in the same process, it's really just going to make the hair appear and feel even drier than before. So how to combat that is you want to use our Moist Repair sulfate-free shampoo as your moisturizing shampoo, right? So you want to hydrate the hair, and then in turn you're going to then do the protein treatment, which is going to help rebuild those bonds and strengthen the hair. But it can also be somewhat drying because it is a protein treatment. Now, before I put on our Elite Repair RX, which is our protein and reconstruction system, I towel dried the hair. And I wanted to show you guys, I know you guys see me using a white bottle. This is the old bottle from our protein system. And I use it. I just refill my bottle over and over and over again. But this is the same product that you guys are getting, which is the Repair RX. I'm just using the old bottle that I keep refilling. Okay, so that was the reason why I showed you guys that black bottle first. But because I use this same bottle, and Crystal is cheap and I am a very resourceful person, so I just keep using my same bottle and just refilling it with product. But you guys are able to use the Repair RX just the same. And all I'm doing is spraying it on the hair because I do protein treatments all day long. So I like to spray it on the hair rather than pump it in my hand. But for you at home, you can use the Elite Repair RX the way that is intended in the treatment pump. Now, I did skip a step for the sake of the video, but after we completed the step one, which was the treatment, we did go back and use the Replenish conditioner, which comes with the protein treatment. That's called Hydrate, and that rehydrated the hair. And then I allowed her to air dry in the dryer for about 30 minutes. And then I went ahead and blew out the remainder of the way. And now we are at the styling portion. So if you guys want to see like the full process of how to do a protein treatment, I have a ton of videos on my channel where you're able to see that. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see the process from start to finish and not make this video several hours long. Now, I did not turn her yet, but I want you guys to take note when I do turn her of how shiny her hair is, okay? She is texturized, and all we did was the protein treatment and then rehydrate her hair using the hydrate, which is step number 2 in the Repair RX process. And now I'm just using my flat iron to silk and curl her all at the same time. I have not put any other product on her hair. I did not put any frizz tamer on her hair. And actually, let me back up. I did put another product. I sprayed our Hydra Strength Leave-In Conditioning Spray on her hair, which also has heat protectant properties as well. But in this case, I did not put any frizz tamer on her hair on purpose because I know she's texturized and because I know I did that protein treatment today. It does leave the hair feeling slightly heavy. And the reason why I say slightly heavy is because the Hydrate conditioner is a very intense, deep conditioner, and it leaves that hair feeling rehydrated and moisturized. So I did not need to add any additional oils to her hair, and it gives her a brilliant shine, which is what you are seeing right now. This is why I tell you guys you are pros, because you are using pro products. And I am super happy. I no longer use other companies' products at my shampoo bowl unless it is a chemical service. And that is something that I can stand on. Yes. Okay. So back to what I was saying, you guys. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is your first time watching our videos, or maybe you've just been wanting to purchase our products and just never really knew what to purchase and now you do, you can use code YouTube and save an additional 20% off your order for your first order. Yeah, we always like to reward our newbies, our new pros. So now her hair is fully curled and she has a good amount of body. So I'm actually going to use the frizz tamer as a glossifier, and I'm going to use it as a sealer for these curls. And I'm just going to finger through her hair and just apply that frizz tamer and shine serum. This is also a heat protectant, you guys, but in her case, I'm using it as a sealer. And I want you guys to see the body in this hair, like the movement, the shine, okay? No shedding, just oomph. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. Please don't forget to comment. Tell me what you guys thought about her curls and about this protein treatment. And if you've used our Elite Repair RX, comment and tell me how much you love it. And I know you love it. So just tell me how much you actually love it and what it's done for your hair. Peace.